if you watch. I'm just asking you about
I'm gonna do mine again.
Why? Are you recording?
What
are you trying to do? Ain't gonna be compared to this.
Hold on, I wanna. Oh yeah, hello. I gotta do. 122.6.
Okay, now you do it.
Oh, you have a decimal reader?
Hold on, though. Let me record. Wait.
All right.
One.
What do you get?
So you got 122.6.
Okay, now you.
All right, let me reset it.
What do you got?
129.2. I felt that in
All right.
Damn, it blew you away.
He made my balls look small.
I was wounded.
That was good.
Lost my ears. I got it back.
I know.
Holy crap.
There he is. How you doing?
Yeah, right. Stock, yeah, ready for this? We had a stock demon at the Cars and Coffee yesterday. He hit a 127.7, I think. I have to look at the tape. Stock.
What was I at?
You were at 122.
122? All right.
That's great.
Sounds good. So what was the stock demon?
The demon was 127.7 when he revved it, and at idle when he fired it up, it was like 107.7 just to start up.
Hell
So we
yeah.
were doing everybody. We were going down the line. We were just checking everybody.
What? Hold on, Lisa. Go back.
128.2.
128? Come on.
128.2. Jesus.
Go ahead. Damn. My exhaust is the quietest, huh? What do you got?
I don't know. I can't hear. What?
How?